Have a good day to all, guys. How are you all? Hope all will be fine and doing very awesome. Let me show you the today on VIX 51S index. Here is trades open very good and made $166. This is DC scientific index robot. So now let's go and withdraw this money. As I always repeat, trade for withdraw. So here is the withdraw for my account. $166 in my CR account right now. This is all by DC scientific this robot. Now let's withdraw this money. And let's click on the withdraw. Now they will send me an email. Click here. They just sent me an email. Let's go check the email. So here is the Binary.com email. Let's click on the mail. And now it's time to withdraw the money. Now we are on site. This is a cashier. Withdraw $166 using my Skrill account. Here is in my Skrill. They already have my details. Now let's go for withdraw. So this is the process. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Check the description for more details.